Hey guys, and welcome to another tutorial. I'll be showing you how to make a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. I'll be using Nebula Launch to launch my token. So here we'll launch our token. We'll come into this form and we'll call it yes Chad. Call it Chad as symbol. It's important that we leave 1 billion tokens to be minted. Then we'll choose an image here. Here we have a description and social media, which will make it more attractive to investors. And here, importantly, it's important that we disable all the authority options, which will also make it more attractive to investors. And then we'll just create token here. Make sure that your Phantom wallet is connected. And we will confirm anyways. Okay, now we see that token has been created successfully. It's important that we copy the mint address. And here we can see it's an Explorer that it has been created. Here we can see all the extra token here and all the metadata. Now, what you do with this token, if you want to do rug pulls, you can go on to Radium and paste your mint address to put some liquidity into your tokens. And I hope you good luck. That's it for me. Ciao.